Hi friends, today we are going to experimentally study VA characteristics of Let's Go. We have VA characteristics of TRIAC trainer kit, which is manufactured by Frontline Electronics. Initially and also side by we have encyclopedia manual. Then switch on the power supply for trainer kit. Then press restart button initially. Here first we have this experimental circuit diagram, then our control parameters are present here with the display parameters. Initially in this track we are going to discuss forward and reverse biasing. So by wearing this function key we can display forward characteristics, and the negative, which is nothing but reverse characteristics, we can be plotted. So initially first we start how to take reading from this. Here we have VMM, which is nothing but the input voltage, then IG for controlling the thyristor, anti-parallel thyristor, which is nothing but our TRIAC, then voltage across track VM1 M2, then IT, which is nothing but a track current, VGM, which is nothing but a terminal M1 to gate voltage. Initially set some gate value, set 4.50. In set value, actual value, it's nearby 4.50. Then vary the input voltage. Just have a look where our barrier is getting breakdown. Initially I am varying it up to 3.4 on, we don't get our barrier open. At 0.65 volt our current is start conducting. This is the point of holding current. Then increase it as like our ACR characteristics in forward biasing. Same thing where our voltage remains little bit changer, but our current will vary rapidly while varying this terminal voltage, whereas our gate current remain constant. Also the reverse characteristics can be plotted by just set our gate current, same 4.5, just vary it in reverse direction. This is about taking reading. Now we go to plot the forward characteristics graph. Here set some gate value in milliampere by varying your gate terminal, just keeping on. Then I press auto plot. Our device is not connecting, so vary further. Now our forward characteristics is plotted for a 1.12 milliampere. Just vary your gate current in minute 1.07. It's not connecting. Likewise, we have plotted for several values from 1.10 milliampere to 1.12 milliampere. We can see the different plots. Initially you take 1.10, which has no connection, then go for 1.10. 1.10 we have conducting very early, then check with 1.08. 1.08 we have proper curve, then 1.10, it is so accurate, which we can see the holding current as well as the latching current, which is nothing but near to 80 and holding current near to 50. We can study using these plots easily and we can understand our forward characteristics. For reference, I am just moving to reverse characteristics. TRIAC has reverse characteristics because we already studied that ACR is a bidirectional device. Okay friends, finally I thank you all for watching this video. If any queries, please drop it down in comment box and don't forget to subscribe us.